Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to manage refunds between Odoo and Shopify synced orders. Head over to Shopify Connector app, click Instance. Click Orders in the instance. Open the record. Click on Invoices. Here you can see the order has been marked paid. Open the same exact record on Shopify. Let's head back to Odoo. Here, click on Credit Note. Specify a reason and click Reverse. Click Confirm. Click on Pay. Add the general payment method and click Create Payment. Click on Refund in Shopify. As soon as the button disappears, the operation has been performed on Shopify for refund. Head back to Shopify and refresh the page. As you can see, now the order has been marked as refunded. That's it. In this way, you can perform refunds in Shopify through Odoo. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.